Download software and drivers. Install the software. Connect your box to PC. Install the drivers. Update your smart card. Important. From now on, never update your smart card if it is not required. The software will notify you if the update is necessary. Run the installed software. Disconnect your box from the PC. Possible problems and troubleshooting. The software is asking for an activation code, or the error "card not found" appears. Possible reasons: you have mistakenly chosen the "I have the activation string" option while updating the smart card. Run the updater again without choosing this option. You forgot to connect the box to your PC and run the software. Close the software, connect the box, and run the software. Drivers were installed incorrectly. If your box is connected, check whether all the drivers are installed and your PC recognizes the card reader and smart card. You forgot to update the smart card. If drivers are installed properly, try updating the smart card and make sure you have the required activation. If you have done everything according to this tutorial and you still can't run the software, please contact our technical support. See the link in the description. Please remember that drivers must be installed in the same order as shown in this tutorial. First, update the smart card and only then run the software. Medusa Pro driver will be installed automatically when you run the Medusa Pro software. The software should indicate that the box is connected, box status connected, and show the smart card serial number. If it didn't happen, reconnect the box and run the software again. Before disconnecting the box, make sure you close the software. Feel free to leave your comments and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.